In Australia, in the 21st century, we know that equal access to justice is denied to many communities. Migrant communities, asylum seekers, Aboriginal communities, and those in minority groups. We have to make sure that people can live lives to the fullest. And that means having access to justice, no matter where you come from, no matter the color of your skin, your religion, your bank balance, or your postcode.
Because if people aren't able to get legal advice or enforce their rights or seek justice in the courts, often a lot of unfair things happen to them. So it could mean losing their house, it can mean losing their children, it can mean ending up in jail. These are all really good reasons why people need to have access to lawyers and access to the justice system.
It enables fair outcomes and consequences for actions, and it also ensures fair process for persons who are subject of proceedings, whether they be civil or criminal.
Because everyone deserves the ability to seek legal assistance when needed, or even have the ability to seek information about the legal system when needed.
It's important for everybody. If we want this to be the kind of society that we want, then everybody has to have access to justice, not just people who can afford it.
If someone cannot afford legal representation, then it can't be equal.
How can the legal side of the law of the world be fair if only rich people can afford lawyers and access to information and understanding?
That's why community legal centres are so important, that they do provide that access to justice and that good quality legal advice isn't dependent on your financial income.
And particularly with the assistance of community legal centres, they provide a really important avenue for disadvantaged people or issues that don't get a lot of political attention to get before the courts.
If you're someone who has the knowledge around justice and the inequities that exist, that people use their privilege to support those who are marginalised.
I think access to justice is just basically a human right, really, that everyone should be able to get help with whatever legal problems they are, regardless of who they are or how rich they are. Really.